let us start with our today's question for data interpretation. Please pause the video for 5 to 10 seconds and go through the question in detail. So now let us begin with the question. Basically, this question consists the data of two companies, company A and company B, which has a total of 8,000 and 7,500 employees respectively. The pie charts show the distribution of these employees within 6 different departments, and the table over here shows the ratio between the number of males and females in each of these departments in the two companies. Let us begin with the questions now. So the first question is, what is the total number of female employees in department 5 of company A and B together? Let's refer to the pie chart and calculate the number of employees in D5 of company A. So the number of employees in D5 of company A are 10% of the total number of employees, which are 8,000. So 10% of 8,000 comes out to be 800. And for company B, the number of employees in D5 of company B is 10% of 7,500, which comes out to be 750. Let's move ahead now. For calculation of female employees in D5 of company A, we have got the total number of employees in D5 as 800, which is shown over here. And now calculating the number of female employees in D5, we have a ratio of 3:2, which is the number of male employees to the number of female employees. So for calculation of female employees, we will have to take 2 divided by the total, which is the total of male and female. So 2 plus 3, that is 5. So 2 by 5 of 800 comes out to be 320. Similarly, we can calculate female employees in D5 of company B. To calculate the number of female employees, we will take the ratio of 27 divided by 23 plus 27, which comes out to be 405. This 750 was the value calculated previously of the number of employees in D5. So the total number of female employees in D5 of company A and B together is 320 plus 405, which is equal to 725. So option B is our correct answer. Let us move to the next question. The total number of female employees in D1 of company B is approximately how much percent more than the number of female employees in D1 of company A? The number of employees in D1 of company A can be calculated by looking at the chart. So D1 has 20% of the total number of employees. So which comes out to be 20% of 8,000, which is nothing but 1,600. And company B has 24% of the total number of employees, which are 7,500. So 0.24 into 7,500, or here we can use a short trick where we can convert 24% of 7,500 into 75% of 2,400. So we get 75%, which is 3/4 of 2,400, which is nothing but 1,800. Moving on to the next part of the question, female employees in D1 of company A can be calculated by checking the ratio, which is 3:5 for female is to male, and the number of female employees in D1 thus becomes 3 divided by 3 plus 5 of 1,600, 1,600 being the previous value calculated of the total number of employees in D1 department of company A. So the value comes out to be 600. Following a similar method for female employees in D1 of company B, we get the total number to be 630, where the ratio of female is to male employees is 7:13. So now we have to calculate by how much amount are the number of female employees in D1 of company B more than the female employees of D1 in company A, which comes out to be 630 minus 600, which is nothing but 30. And thus in terms of percentages, our base value, which is the number of female employees in D1 of company A, that is 600, will be our base value. The difference will be the numerator, and thus we get a 5% as our answer. So option A is our right answer. Let us move on to the next question now. What is the difference between the total male employees of company A and the total female employees of company B? This is quite a bit of a lengthy question. So we have a table, we have our pie chart, And let us now calculate the male employees of company A in all the different departments. Starting from D1, we have the total number of employees is 8,000. The percentage share of D1 is 20%, which gets multiplied. And the ratio of male to female is 5:3. And we have to calculate the male employees of company A in department D1 here. So we take the ratio as 5 divided by 5 plus 3. So the final value comes out to be 1000. Following a similar pedagogy, we calculate the number of male employees that are there in each of the departments D2, D3, D4, D5, and D6 of company A, and we thus get a total value after adding all of them as 4461. Moving on to the next part of the question, we have the pie chart of company B, our table of ratios, and calculation of female employees of company B. Starting with department D1, the total number of employees in company B is 7,500. The D1 has a percentage share of 24%, and the ratio of female to male employees in D1 of company B is 7:13. So we take 7 divided by 7 plus 13, which is the total number of employees, and thus get 630 as our answer. Following the similar method for D2, D3, D4, D5, and D6, we get a total sum of female employees of company B as 3229. So now we have both the values, total male employees of company A and total female employees of company B. And now we just have to calculate the difference between these two values, which comes out to be nothing but 1232. So option B is our correct answer. Hope you all like this tutorial. Keep following our page for more such tutorials. Thank you.